Actuality, understanding the real essence of things. Imagine a world where everything you see and experience is exactly as it appears. No illusions, no misconceptions, just pure reality. This is the essence of our word for today, actuality. Word type, actuality is a noun, meaning actuality refers to the state of existing in reality or as a real fact, rather than as an idea or possibility. It's the true objective state of things as they exist, as opposed to an idealized or imagined version. Word history. The word actuality has its roots in the Latin word actualis, meaning active or practical. It entered the English language in the late 16th century, evolving from the medieval Latin actualitas. Over time, it has come to represent the concept of real existence or fact. Antonyms. Some antonyms for actuality include illusion, fantasy, unreality, and fiction. These words represent concepts that are opposite to the real, factual nature of actuality. Synonyms. Synonyms for actuality include reality, fact, truth, certainty, and existence. These words all share the quality of representing what is real and true. Examples used in sentences. Let's explore how to use actuality in various contexts. The actuality of climate change is becoming increasingly evident through rising global temperatures and extreme weather events. In theory, the project seemed simple, but the actuality of implementing it proved far more complex. The documentary aimed to present the actuality of life in remote villages, free from romanticized notions. Politicians often promise utopian visions, but the actuality of governance is far more challenging and nuanced. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing actuality with actually. While actuality is a noun referring to the state of being real or factual, actually is an adverb meaning in fact or in reality. For example, it would be incorrect to say the actually of the situation surprised us. Instead, you should say the actuality of the situation surprised us. Another error is using actuality when reality would be more appropriate in casual conversation. While both words are similar, actuality is more formal and often used in academic or professional context. Mastering the use of actuality in your vocabulary demonstrates a sophisticated command of English, crucial for achieving a high band score in IELTS. Remember, it's not just about knowing the definition, but understanding its nuances and applying it correctly in various contexts. By grasping the actuality of language use, you're one step closer to your goal of band score 8.0.